Terence and Winnie had a total of 27 coins. When Terence gave Winnie a quarter of his coins, she had twice as many coins as him. Winnie then found out that she had twice as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins, and were asked how much money did she have in the end. Now, even if you are not familiar with dollars and cents, I think you can figure this out. There are 100 cents in a dollar. So if you're used to British money, you could think of this as like a 20p coin, and this would be a 10p coin. Okay, so let's start at the beginning. Terence and Winnie had a total of 27 coins. Okay. When Terence gave Winnie a quarter of his coins, she had twice as many coins as him. Okay, so Terence and Winnie, and what we're going to do is Terence's money has been divided here into quarters. So we will start off with a bar that we are dividing into quarters. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 equally sized parts, that's quarters. Okay, now we're told that when Terence gave Winnie a quarter of his coins, okay, I'm going to shade in a quarter. Okay, so gave. I'm trying to annotate my model whenever I can. When Terence gave Winnie this quarter, the quarter of his coins, she had twice as many coins as him. Right. Well, what does he have in the end? Terence has this number of coins, and if Winnie ends up with twice what he has, then that would be the same as what Terence has. I will, yeah, 3 parts to 3 parts, and then she would have 3 more parts, wouldn't she? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I will just draw around to make it easy to see. So that's what Terence has in the end, and this is what Winnie has in the end. Okay, so this is what she got from Terence. Okay, there we go. Right, let's see where we are now. I think we've captured that. That's great. Okay, Winnie then found out she had twice as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins. Right, I think what we need to do is actually figure out, what we haven't done yet is figure out how many coins there are in this model. How many coins are in this model? And we're told that there's because this is talking about the value of the coins. That's different to the number of the coins. So far, this model has a value of, or represents 27 coins. Okay. Now, remember that this part moved from here to here. Okay. So we are not going to include it. All right. It's like I've drawn this twice, but because it's drawn here as well. So let's count up how many equal sized parts are in our model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts altogether. So if we divide 27 is divided by 9, we get 3, which is the value of each of these parts. That's how many coins each of these parts represents. Okay. All right. So now we know. And why have we done that? Because in order to work out this bit, we need to know how many coins Winnie has. So what does she have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She has 3 times 6. So 3 coins times 6, and that is 18. Okay, so Winnie has 18 coins. All right. So what are we told now? Winnie then found out that she had twice as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins. And we're asked how much money did she have in the end? Okay, so we need to draw a model, or we could draw a model. It might be that you can figure it out already, but I think we're going to draw a model and we're going to have 10-cent coins and 20-cent coins. So what does Winnie have? She has twice as many 20-cent as 10-cent. So if this represents 10-cent coins, the number of 10-cent coins, this is the number of 20-cent coins. How many coins does she have? Well, we've worked out that she has 18 coins, and we can see that there are 3 equal parts. So if we divide 18 by 3, we get 6. I'm going to go for another color now. We now have a value for each of these. So we now know that there are 6 10-cent coins and 6 plus 6, or 2 times 6, so that's 12 20-cent coins. Right. And now we can work out how much money she had, can't we? So what is 6 times 10-cent coins? What would that be? What's 6 times 10? All right, so if we do 6 times 10, we are going to end up with 60. Now, if we were doing dollars and cents, it would often be put like this, okay? With English money, with dollars and pence, we would do 60p, wouldn't we? Okay, it's just very similar. And what have we got? We've got 12 20-cent coins. So what is 12 20-cent coins? Well, what's 12 times 2? That's 24, times 10 is 240. And remember, this is in cents. Remember, when we are working in pounds and pence, we have to be careful of when we've got pounds and when we've got pence. So we're doing 12 times 20. Okay, that is 240 cents. Okay, and then we need to add 240 plus 60 equals 300, and that's 300 cents. But you wouldn't give an answer as in with 300p, would you? What would you do? You would divide that by 100, because there's 100p in a pound and there's 100 cents in a dollar, and your final answer would be $3. Okay, and that's how much money, that's our final answer. That's how much money Winnie had in the end.